Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing of Biggestcraft. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 cross stitches. Okay, and we have 2 items. Okay, I thought we have more. We have 2 items over here. Okay, let's go to the 2 items. Let's see what we got over here. Over here we got how everybody doing? I'm sorry if I a little slow, but I have been under the weather and things have been going a little bit crazy over here. Over here we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, excuse me. This is a 30. One of those caddy to put your thread. Here's one, the one for the swans among the flowers. Okay, this one has 30. They come with those of you who are new, they come with this, and then you write the number, right, and then you insert it around here. Okay, like this. You can use both sides, and you get these extras. They last a long time. I have to change the the numbering on the carton with the numbers on them. Let me put this one away, but they're very good. You insert the threading here, right, depending on the color and the number. So this is so neat. I'm still struggling about this one, so okay, here it is. Here you go. Just want to put it aside because I don't want to. The next item is a sewing kit or sewing kit, and let's see how this goes. Good. Take a look at this. You put the needle in here, and over here inside you put the whatever is it that you need to put, like you can put these in here. This one won't. But this is very pretty. So you can put your items in here inside. This is sturdy. It's made out of metal. Had this nice little fabric or ribbon around it. And this is for you to put the needles on them. Okay. Now, to the cross stitches. Let's go with the first one. The first one is the flower of happiness. Those pansies. Look at how pretty they are. It's a 17 by 17, 14 count, 2 strands. And let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. Oh, this one is easy. This one only has 14 colors and 2 of them are backstitch. That's the chart. Look at how pretty it is. I'm going to take a look at the colors. But look at this. It's a snack size. It's a 17 by 17. Maybe we put it for the next time. That's a snack size. The flower of happiness. With the colors and the symbols. Very much. 14 full stitch and 2 back stitch. So here it is. And the colors, you get the 2 needles that Joy Sunday always gave you. And here is those beautiful purple pansies. Take a look at this. 14 color, 50. Okay. Snack size, folks. The next one. Let's see. Oh, let's do this one. But this one is coming soon. The Forest Playground, number 3. It's a 22 by 19 centimeter. And think of how cute it is for the fall. It's a 3-stem cross stitch. I'll take a look at that. Aha. This one has 26 full stitch and 3 back stitch. And I'm assuming one symbol is for the chart. This one. And this one is for the fabric. Let's check that. Oh, another snack size. 22 by 19. You can do this one too. Here it is. With very clear symbols. That's very beautiful. Very nice. Another snack size. We got the 2 needles. Look at the colors. beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fall colors. Another snack size. Now we can get to do. This one. I'm doing the small one. It's called umbrella. The two ducks or swan under the rain. That is so cute, kissing each other. It's a 14 count again. It's a 15 by 18 centimeter. So probably is a snack size. We got 3 snack size today. Yay! Here is a short. They're so cute. This one has 21 full stitch, 5 half stitch, and 2 back stitch. And we already know what a half stitch is. Okay. Here it is. It's 15 by 18. So we got half stitch even in the umbrella. This is so pretty. The symbols are okay, the colors are okay, are not fading. That's what I like, Joy Sunday. We got 2 needles. Again, here we are. Beautiful shiny color. I like the shiny of the. So we have 3 snacks. This one is a straw hat flower. This is beautiful. It's a 26 by 26, 14 count, and this is a square. You know, it's entirely square. Let me take a drink. Okay. Here it is. Here is the short. Look at how beautiful those colors are. Ooh, this one got 48 colors and has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 back stitch and 1 French knot. And you know what's gonna happen with the French knot, right? It's gonna be substitute with beads. Like right here. Right here. Not this. This. It's gonna be substitute with beads. See beads. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the fabric. I said it was a 26 by 26. We can consider this a snack size. Pretty fair. Take a look at this. It's not that big, even though it's a 26 by 26. But it has 49 colors. 49 colors. Beautiful hat. So we can consider this one, all of them as a snack. I'm here because this is you got the 2 needles from Joy Sunday. Let's take a look at the beautiful, 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 beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. Straw hat. So apparently we have a whole bunch of snack size that we can do. Okay, I still have to look for the old ones because I would like to start with those ones. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Hit the subscribe button and hit the like, okay, and the notification bell. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.